country people, another gbese don land o. When Miami ball lovers make una draw seat come forward. This time around, we need serious prayers. Who go help motherland? Motherland is seriously crying. So my people, Edo State market women don enter road to begin the protest. Say
dem wan come. Tinubu Daugter wan come inaugurate person for in Lagos State. Nobody dey go there. So for Edo State, she know me. Me know her. We dey go there. That time we dey go there do meeting for there. But few months now, we don hear say he wan go put another person. We no go gree. Make the whole in Lagos State. Me no go come here. I no go Lagos State now. Go Impóse person there. So na me. Na I get Edo State Market Women Association. If he say he wants me, make he come tell me. Bring market women, I go say, oh yeah, make una follow. But this one we want to do, so we not go take her. We not go take her from her. Because politics they come, they go. We remain inside market. Because person don't go meet for National Day, Tinubu, make it go put person for Lagos State. You know possible. So that's why you not see work, because now about Bini, now he get us for here. Now he get market. Now he be our grandfather. Now governor, any governor will come. Now he be our small papa. Even Oshomole be our papa before. Lucky Benedict be our papa. Yegu be our papa.
Omo, my country people now don't hear am from the horse's mouth. The person wey talk na the leader of Edo State Market Women Association. Omo, this one go dey easy so, cause we all know say Edo no dey carry last. If you want am today, as e dey hot, they are ever ready. Ha! I pray they settle their differences so, cause I no understand where this country they hate again. Make person no come sleep, wake up, they hear say another gbese don happen. Make everybody sharp begin the pray, cause this thing no go. Okay, my people, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Still one and only, I'm a burger of Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. And please click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ejo, support the girl child.